The secret to getting 300,000 miles from a hybrid SUV isn't some revolutionary new battery. What if it's something much simpler? How you maintain the machine. The 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid is already shaping up to be one of Honda's most compelling compact SUVs. With a 204 horsepower two-motor hybrid system, available real-time AWD, new technology, and a Trail Sport hybrid built for buyers who want more capability. Because if you're buying a CR-V to keep for 10, 15 or even 20 years, the question isn't simply how good is it when it's new. The real question is how good can it still be when the odometer says 300,000. 2027 CR-V Hybrid Series Foundation. The 2027 CR-V Hybrid uses Honda's two-motor hybrid powertrain, producing 204 horsepower, with hybrid trims offering sport mode and a power meter that shows the hybrid system's operation. An A-hybrid isn't simply an engine with a battery attached. The gasoline engine, electric motors, battery, cooling systems, electronics, and transmission-related components all have to work together. That means long-term reliability isn't about finding one magical part. It's about keeping the entire system operating within its intended conditions. And this is where the first secret appears. Honda's Maintenance Minder is designed to monitor driving conditions and alert owners when service is due. That little maintenance reminder, it could be more important than most owners realize. Secret mechanical fix. The part many owners overlook. There is no officially confirmed Honda 300,000 mile mechanical fix that guarantees a CR-V hybrid will reach 300,000 miles. But there is a practical strategy that can dramatically improve your odds of long-term ownership. Stay ahead of fluid and drivetrain maintenance. Honda's CR-V hybrid maintenance guidance includes engine oil and filter service, brake inspections, tire rotation, air and cabin filtration, transmission fluid replacement, spark plugs, engine coolant, and brake fluid. The biggest longevity advantage may not come from modifying the vehicle. It may come from refusing to neglect the boring stuff. And when you're trying to reach 300,000 miles, prevention is cheaper than recovery. Hybrid systems advantage. The electric side of the powertrain can reduce how hard the gasoline engine has to work in certain driving situations. The 2027 CR-V Hybrid's two-motor system is designed to provide responsive acceleration while delivering strong fuel economy. Honda rates the hybrid at up to 40 city and 34 highway mpg, depending on configuration. And there's another potential advantage. Regenerative braking can help recover energy that would otherwise be lost as heat. That means less reliance on conventional friction braking in many driving situations. But don't misunderstand this. Hybrid technology doesn't make maintenance optional. It makes correct maintenance even more important. Our Trail Sport. The 2027 CR-V Hybrid offers available real-time AWD, while the new Trail Sport Hybrid comes standard with AWD and all-terrain tires. The Trail Sport also adds an adventure-focused setup designed for buyers who want more confidence away from pavement. But here's the warning. Capability creates additional responsibility. If you're regularly driving in snow, dirt, mountains, or towing conditions, you're asking more from the vehicle. Don't maintain your CR-V based only on the easiest version of your lifestyle. Maintain it based on how you actually use it. Tech updates. The 2027 CR-V isn't just about mechanical updates. Honda has added a more sophisticated technology package, including a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, available Google built-in with Google Gemini, and a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster on higher hybrid trims. The Sport Touring Hybrid goes even further with Google built-in, a Bose premium sound system, and standard real-time AWD. But here's the interesting part. Good technology can actually make ownership easier. A digital power meter helps you understand how the hybrid system is operating. 300,000 mile mindset. So, let's answer the question. Can the 2027 Honda CR-V Hybrid reach 300,000 miles? Potentially, but no responsible reviewer can promise that number for every vehicle. Driving conditions vary, maintenance varies. But if you're serious about keeping your CRV for the long haul, here's the mindset. Change the fluids when they're due. Replace filters when they are needed. Follow the maintenance minder. Honda itself emphasizes using its maintenance resources to understand when service is due, rather than simply waiting for a problem to appear. That's the real secret, not a miracle modification. The 2027 Honda CRV Hybrid isn't promising you 300,000 miles, and it shouldn't. What it gives you is something more realistic: a modern hybrid powertrain, strong efficiency, new technology, and a maintenance system designed to help owners stay ahead of service. If you want to see which upcoming hybrid SUV could challenge the CRV next, click the video on your screen right now.